When using the optimal dose dispenser, consumers must adjust the detergent concentration settings based on the concentration level of the high-efficiency detergent they are using. First, check your detergent bottle and refer to this table for determining correct concentration settings based on bottle volume and number of doses. To change the concentration level settings, hold down the temperature plus soil level buttons at the same time. The screen will cycle through the various concentrations. Let go of both buttons once the appropriate concentration value appears. The default is set to 2 times. 2 times equals lowest concentration, largest amount of detergent added. 6 times equals highest concentration or least amount of detergent added.